Well, students, the question says the diagram shows the graph of PDF, that is probability density function, of a random variable x which takes a value between 0 and 2 only. That means the values outside the given domain 0 and 2 can be considered as 0. So we have to find the probability of x lying between 1 to 1.5. Now for that, please remember that we need to find out the equation of this line first. So to get the equation of this line, we can see that the line is passing through the origin. So the equation, the general equation of this line is y is equal to mx. So if I take up any point, say here, we can say that the x value is 1 and the y value is half. So you can place y value as half and x value as 1. So doing that, I get the value of m as half. So we can say that the equation of the line is y is equal to x by 2. Now this is the equation of the line which is given in the graph. So to answer the first part of the question, we can write that the probability of x lying from 1 to 1.5. That means if I integrate from 1 to 1.5, the given PDF, which is x by 2, which is probability density function dx. So we use the power rule of integration over here. That means if it is x to the power n dx, so we are using the formula x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the integral constant c. So if I apply that formula over here, so half being a constant is taken out of the integration. So x dx, that means the power here is 1. That means the value of n is 1 over here. So if I integrate that, I'll get x squared by 2, ranging from 1.5 as the upper limit to 1 as the lower limit. So that means I can write, I'll first apply the upper limit in place of x over there, which is 1.5 whole square by 2, minus I'll apply the lower limit over here, which is 1 square by 2. So if I solve this out, final answer for this question will be 5 by 16. And if I put it into the decimals, that will be 0.3125. And that will be the answer of the probability value lying between 1 to 1.5. Moving on to the second part of the question, it says find the median of x. We need to assume that the median is m over here. So that means if I integrate my PF, which is x by 2, from 0 to the median value m, that should be equal to half because the median values lies in the middle. So we can equate it equal to half. Applying the same power rule x to the power n dx as this, we can take half out, and if I integrate x into dx, the power n is 1 over here. So we got x squared by 2 ranging from 0 to m, and that should be equal to half. So this half gets cancelled. So that means m squared is equal to 2. So the value of m is root 2. That gives our median. If I put it into the decimal, so our median will be 1.41. That will be the answer for the second part of the question. Now moving on to the third part of the question, it says that find the expected value Ex. So the expected value formula is, if I'm getting the from 0 to 2, that the function is ranging from 0 to 2, it is x into fx dx. So our fx, as we have already found out, is y is equal to fx equals to x by 2. So I'll place that value over here. So if I'm integrating it from 0 to 2, x into x by 2, which is my fx value. So I can take half outside the integral, which is ranging from 0 to 2, and I'm getting x squared dx. Again, I'm using my power rule formula of x to the power n dx at x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the integral constant c. This being a definite integral, we are not writing the integral constant c. So if I integrate that half outside, this becomes x cubed by 3 ranging from 2 to 0. So I'll first apply the upper limit to it, which is 2 cubed by 3 minus 0 cubed by 3. So if I solve this out, so the answer for this question will be 4 by 3. That's my expected value for the given period. Thank you, students.